Okay, well, I kind of saw this one coming. So, do y'all remember that one 1994 Ring Classic that froze up back in Memorial Day weekend of 2022, I think? Well, it also froze up in 2021 as well. There's its replacement, a new Ruud unit. The other three reams still remain. I would love to catch that one starting up one of these days, but I caught that one starting up like almost 3.5 years back, and I want to make a better video of it, like a quiet one. But yeah, there's the Ruud unit, and one of these Goodmans is running. This Goodman's running. It's like 54 out. I caught one of the GMCs starting up. Yeah, but I don't really feel like going down there and decoding the year. I think it's probably from 2021, 2022, maybe 23, I don't know. But, what the hell, I'll just go down there. No one's here, so. It's 2022, 2-ton. Yeah, that's brand new 2022 2-ton Ruud unit. Kind of saw this one coming. Also, last time I saw that one running, saw it running last year, but it also, I saw it running on Labor Day weekend of 2021, and whenever it was running, it would freeze up. So that kind of gives me a scare that it might be getting replaced sometime soon too. So all these Freon leaves, whatnot. That one got a new installation. Looks nice. And that one sounds amazing on startup. So does that one. I mean, all the Ring Classics do. But that's that. Got 2015 Goodman running. It's not all that cold, but I'd say it doesn't feel the warmest. Like, it's about perfect middle, I guess. I think I hear a unit running over here. Or it could just be buzzing. Yeah, nothing's running over here. Yeah, nothing's running over here. That 102 Goodman still remains. All these other newer units here. Remember, I got a pretty angry startup out of that one last year. All 6 carrier units. I doubt any of them have been running. Well, I wouldn't be shocked if that one was running. That one runs a lot. So does that one. That one runs a lot too. And so does that one, but I doubt it'd be running. I know the people that live, I know whose air conditioner that is. That one runs a lot too, but it cycles on and off though. Well, runs enough, not like too crazy a lot. Like, it doesn't run every single day in the summer. Figured I'd make this a little AC heaven, I guess. There's actually heat pumps that were running. Actually, I think that one 2012 Goodman was running. But yeah, nothing really has changed over here. That unit was my my grandparents' old unit, but they don't live here and they don't live in this building anymore. And yeah, that was their old unit. Caught it starting up one time. This thing hardly ever runs, and it didn't really run that much even when my grandparents lived there. It had a really nice breeze, and they kept it on like 76 the majority of the time, and it didn't feel bad in there at all. Now it doesn't run nearly as much as it used to, because it actually used to run somewhat often, but now just hardly runs. I only saw it running like twice last year. But yeah, some startup videos hopefully to come this Memorial Day weekend. So yeah, hope you all enjoy this video. See you on the next one.